Welcome back to AutoView Pro, your ultimate destination for exploring the most extraordinary vehicles in the world. Today, we are about to embark on a journey into the future of travel, comfort, and performance. Imagine a motorhome that doesn't just take you from one place to another but turns every mile into a luxurious adventure. Imagine a vehicle that carries the soul of Swedish design, the heart of cutting-edge technology, and the spirit of exploration. That's exactly what the all-new 2026 Volvo Motorhome delivers. This isn't just another, it's a masterpiece of innovation, crafted for those who believe the journey should be as remarkable as the destination. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome demands your attention. The exterior design is bold yet sophisticated, unmistakably Scandinavian, with clean lines, a sculpted silhouette, and a presence that feels both modern and timeless. The signature Volvo grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by sharp, pixel-LED headlights that give it a futuristic gaze. The aerodynamic body isn't just for style, it's engineered for maximum efficiency, reducing drag and improving fuel economy or, in this case, electric range. Yes, this motorhome is powered by Volvo's latest generation hybrid electric drivetrain, offering silent, zero-emission cruising for shorter trips and a powerful, efficient combustion engine for longer journeys. The synergy between these two power sources means you can explore remote landscapes without sacrificing performance or sustainability. Step closer and you'll notice the attention to detail everywhere. Flush door handles that glide open at your touch. Side mirrors replaced by high-definition cameras, projecting crystal-clear visuals into the cabin. The massive panoramic windshield offers an uninterrupted view of the road ahead, while large side windows flood the interior with natural light. The integrated LED light strip running across the front adds a signature touch that's instantly recognizable at night, almost like the motorhome is wearing a crown of light. Volvo has also equipped this model with smart adaptive suspension, automatically adjusting ride height and damping to handle everything from silky highways to rugged backcountry roads with ease. But the magic truly happens when you step inside. Open the electronically sliding side door, and you're greeted by a space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Volvo's Scandinavian design philosophy is front and center here, minimalism blended with warmth, functionality paired with elegance. The floor is lined with sustainably sourced oak wood, while the walls are accented with soft-touch materials and brushed aluminium trim. Large skylights run along the roof, giving you a perfect view of the sky whether you're parked in a bustling city or under a blanket of stars in the wilderness. The living area is a masterclass in space optimization. Plush modular seating can be configured for lounging, dining, or working, with hidden compartments underneath for storage. The main sofa faces a retractable 55-inch 8K OLED display, perfect for streaming your favorite shows or displaying your travel maps in stunning detail. And of course, the motorhome's integrated surround sound system, tuned by Bowers Wilkins, makes everything from music to movies an immersive experience. The kitchen is equally impressive here, compact yet complete, featuring an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a full-sized refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine for those early morning coffee rituals. The countertops are made from recycled composite stone, offering durability and style. Intelligent storage solutions mean that every pot, pan, and utensil has its place, and ambient lighting under the cabinets creates a warm, inviting atmosphere for cooking. Moving towards the rear, you'll find the Master Suite, a sanctuary on wheels. The queen-size bed is surrounded by panoramic windows, offering breathtaking views of your surroundings the moment you wake up. The bed frame incorporates an adjustable incline for reading or watching TV, and memory foam ensures comfort on the longest of trips. Built-in climate control allows you to set the perfect temperature for sleeping, while noise-cancelling insulation keeps the outside world at bay. There's even a hidden compartment beneath the bed for valuables, secured by biometric fingerprint access. The bathroom is nothing short of luxurious. A rainfall shower with temperature memory settings, a ceramic basin sink, and a water-efficient smart toilet all come together to make you forget you're in a motorhome. The entire space is finished with moisture-resistant materials that retain their beauty and feel premium for years. A clever sliding door saves space without compromising privacy, and integrated shelving keeps all your toiletries neatly organized. But the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is more than just a beautiful interior, it's packed with technology that transforms how you travel. The cockpit is a tech lover's dream, featuring a curved, high-resolution display that merges navigation, vehicle data, and entertainment into a seamless interface. Volvo's latest autonomous driving system, Pilot Assist 4.0, is on board, allowing the motorhome to handle long stretches of highway driving on its own, while you relax and enjoy the view. AI-powered route planning takes into account your preferences, weather conditions, and even charging station locations if you're running in electric mode. Speaking of electric mode, the battery system is state-of-the-art. With an all-electric range of up to 200 miles and rapid charging capability, you can recharge to 80% in just 30 minutes at compatible stations. When combined with the efficient combustion engine, the total range stretches well over 1,000 miles, making cross-country travel not only possible but effortlessly smooth. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide additional energy for onboard systems, reducing the need for generator use and making off-grid living more sustainable. For those who love the great outdoors, the Volvo Motorhome offers a range of adventure-ready features. An integrated retractable awning provides shade for your campsite, while an external kitchen unit slides out from the side for open-air cooking. There's even a fold-out deck at the rear, complete with seating and a small fire pit module for evenings under the stars. Volvo has also thought about your gear. There's a spacious rear garage area for bicycles, kayaks, or even a compact motorcycle, with tie-downs and climate control to keep everything in perfect condition. Safety, as you'd expect from Volvo, is paramount. The motorhome is equipped with 360-degree camera coverage, collision avoidance systems, lane keeping assistance, pedestrian detection, and night vision. The reinforced safety cage structure and adaptive crumple zones mean that whether you're navigating busy city streets or winding mountain roads, you and your passengers are in one of the safest motorhomes on the planet. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is how it changes the way you think about travel. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It allows you to work remotely with a fully equipped office setup, stay connected with high-speed satellite internet, and unwind in total comfort wherever you choose to park. It's the freedom to wake up by the ocean one day and in the middle of the forest the next, without ever leaving the comfort of home. Volvo has also integrated a personal assistant AI named Elva, who can control lighting, climate, music, and even adjust your driving route with a simple voice command. Elva learns your habits over time, anticipating your needs and ensuring every trip feels personalized. Imagine Elva lowering the blinds and setting the temperature just right when you say goodnight, or suggesting scenic detours based on your past travel preferences. On the road, the driving experience is nothing short of sublime. The hybrid powertrain delivers instant torque in electric mode, making city driving smooth and silent. Switch to combined mode, and the motorhome surges forward with confident acceleration, easily handling steep inclines and highway merges. The adaptive suspension absorbs imperfections in the road, while the precise steering makes maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly easy. Even crosswinds are tamed by active stability systems, keeping the ride composed no matter the conditions. For those who crave customization, Volvo offers an extensive range of personalization options. You can choose from different interior themes, ranging from modern monochrome to earthy and natural. Exterior colors include elegant metallics, matte finishes, and even two-tone combinations that highlight the motorhome's sleek proportions. You can also upgrade to a premium off-road package, which includes all-terrain tires, reinforced underbody protection, and a higher ride height for tackling more challenging environments. Environmental responsibility has been a cornerstone of this design. The motorhome incorporates recycled and renewable materials throughout its construction, from the seat fabrics to the insulation. The hybrid electric powertrain significantly reduces emissions, and the solar panel system offsets much of the energy consumption for onboard living. Even the paint uses water-based, low-VOC formulas to minimize environmental impact. As night falls, the ambient lighting transforms the interior into a cozy retreat. Soft, customizable colors flow along the ceiling and under furniture edges, creating an atmosphere that matches your mood. Whether you're hosting friends for dinner, watching a movie with family, or simply enjoying a quiet evening, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome adapts seamlessly. In every sense, this motorhome is a game changer. It blends Volvo's legendary commitment to safety with a forward-thinking approach to luxury and sustainability. It's not about rushing from one place to another, it's about making the most of every moment in between. It's for the explorers, the dreamers, and the innovators who believe the best stories are written on the open road. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It turns the act of travel into an art form, where comfort, technology, and freedom exist in perfect harmony. And once you've experienced life in this rolling masterpiece, the idea of going back to traditional travel will seem almost impossible. So whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, a weekend escape to the mountains, or a slow, scenic journey along the coast, this is the vehicle that will make every mile unforgettable. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is here, and it's ready to redefine your adventure. This is not just the future of motorhomes, it's the future of how we live, move, and connect with the world around us. And that's the beauty of it. No airports, no hotel check-ins, no rushing to meet schedulers, just the open road, your own personal space, and the endless possibilities waiting out there. Wherever you choose to go, this motorhome ensures that you're not just traveling, you're living. So, buckle up, because with the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the journey truly has no limits. Every road becomes your home, every sunrise a new beginning, and every destination a chapter in your own personal story. This is AutoView Pro, and as always, we bring you the best of the best in automotive innovation. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep driving forward into the future.